Welcome to this guided deep relaxation journey. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this experience, free from distractions. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Let go of any tension or stress you may be carrying with you. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your chest and abdomen expand, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Picture roots extending from the soles of your feet, anchoring you to the earth. Feel a sense of stability and grounding as you connect with the energy beneath you. Now, shift your focus to your body. Imagine a warm, soothing light at the top of your head. As this light gently travels down, let it relax and soften each part of your body. Feel the tension melting away with each breath. Allow this light to move down your face, neck, shoulders, arms, and chest, bringing a sense of calm and tranquility. Continue guiding the light down through your torso, hips, thighs, knees, and all the way down to your toes. Feel each muscle letting go of any tightness. Notice the sensation of relaxation spreading throughout your entire body, like a gentle wave of serenity. Shift your attention back to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. With each breath, imagine inhaling calmness and exhaling any remaining tension. Let the breath be your anchor, grounding you in the present moment. Imagine yourself in a serene and tranquil place, a place that brings you a deep sense of peace. It could be a beach, a forest, a meadow, or any location that resonates with tranquility. Engage your senses. Feel the warmth of the sun, the gentle breeze, the softness beneath you. Allow the peace of this place to wash over you, providing a sanctuary for relaxation. As you bask in this peaceful environment, repeat positive affirmations to yourself. Affirmations like, "I am calm and centered," or "I am deserving of relaxation and peace." Let these affirmations resonate within you, reinforcing a positive and tranquil mindset. Take a moment to reflect on the things you are grateful for. Visualize each aspect, person, or experience that brings joy and gratitude into your life. Feel the warmth of gratitude filling your heart and radiating throughout your being. As we conclude this relaxation journey, start to bring awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently awakening your body. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes. Thank you for joining this guided deep relaxation journey. Carry this sense of calmness with you throughout your day, and return to this practice whenever you need a moment of peace and rejuvenation.